COVID-19. Coronavirus is one of the most dangerous pandemics ever known by mankind. Till date, no vaccine or cure had been invented to control the infection. The virus enters the body generally through the mouth or the nose. Then the virus makes its way down into the air sacs, also known as alveoli, in the lungs. Next, the virus uses its unique spike proteins to seize cells. When the virus RNA has entered a cell, new copies are made and the cell is killed in the process, releasing new viruses inside the air sacs. The thing is that how fast this virus is spreading is making it more threatening. But COVID-19 does not only affect our health. This pandemic has disturbed our lives in ways that were unthinkable. It is true that everyone is terrified of this disease and are panicking for their lives and their health. Yet, we should not forget about the positive outcomes of this virus. We can now finally breathe in air that does not contain high amounts of pollutants or drink water which is not contaminated. For the first time in decades, mankind has seen such clean skies. Everyone is staying inside their homes due to the lockdown, so nobody is able to pollute the environment. Air quality is getting better, and the smog that usually covered the skies of Central Asia during winters has subsided. Animals and birds are now free to move around without being hunted or getting slaughtered by car accidents. Technology found a new way to make people communicate and connect with each other. But with all these splendid advantages, the drawbacks still can't be ignored. Businesses are ravaged and are facing extreme losses. The trade between the world has almost ceased. This is the worst economic downfall since the Great Depression in the 90s. Gold prices have doubled and the government is forced to make more money to circulate the currency. More than 1 million employees around the world have been dismissed and now they have no way to earn their money. Countries like Saudi Arabia and Dubai's main export are largely affected. And it's not only about business. Researchers show that humans are having more anxiety, panic, and stress than before, which results in an increase in mental disorders. People are scared to meet their loved ones and to leave their home, even for working. And now, let's do not forget about the crime which has escalated as a result of coronavirus. People have started robbing banks and houses so that their own families won't starve to death. They have even reached the extent of murdering each other for money. These impacts could result in unchangeable conclusions. All we can do now is follow the precautionary measures and pray that this virus burn out itself. These precautionary measures include washing hands frequently and for at least 20 seconds, using hand sanitizer when water is not available, wearing masks when in company of someone or when you go outside your house, and wear gloves before touching anything outside your home. We need to follow this not only to protect ourselves but also our families and loved ones from this deadly disease.